Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to connect your GameSir G7 Pro controller to your PC. We will start with the wired method. Take the USB-C end of the cable and plug it into the port on the top of the controller. Then plug the other end of the cable into an available USB port on your PC. After the cable is connected, press the Xbox button in the center of the controller one time. The controller should turn on and the light should stay solid. This means the controller is connected and ready to use. Now let's look at the wireless method. First, plug the USB receiver into an open USB port on your PC. Make sure it is fully inserted. Next, turn the controller over and find the mode switch on the back. Move this switch to the 2.4G position. This tells the controller to use the wireless receiver. After that, press the Xbox button to turn the controller on. Give it a few seconds to connect. When the light on the controller stays solid, the pairing is complete and the controller is connected to your PC. If the controller does not connect, try unplugging and plugging the receiver back in. Thanks for watching.